Hi, children. Story time now. Sit quietly and listen to my story for today. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Little Goldilocks was playing in the forest. She saw a little cottage. Goldilocks went in. She saw 3 bowls of porridge on a table. Goldilocks ate some porridge from the big bowl. It was too hot, so she ate some porridge from the middle bowl. It was too cold. But the porridge in the small bowl was just right. Goldilocks ate it up all. Goldilocks was tired. She went up to the bedroom. She saw 3 beds. Goldilocks lay down on the big bed. It was too hard. Then she lay on the medium bed. It was too soft. But the small bed was just right. Goldilocks lay down on the bed. She fell asleep. The cottage belonged to 3 bears. They came home as she lay sleeping. "Who tasted my porridge?" said Papa Bear. "Who tasted my porridge?" said Mama Bear. "Someone tasted my porridge. They ate it all up," cried Baby Bear. The bears went up to the bedroom. "Who lay on my bed?" said Papa Bear. "Who lay on my bed?" said Mama Bear. "Someone lay on my bed. She's still sleeping in it," cried Baby Bear. Goldilocks woke up. She saw the 3 bears. They looked angry. Goldilocks was frightened. She ran out of the cottage. She ran home. Hope you enjoyed the story. Bye bye. Take care.